Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel app subscriptions on Android. First, tap on the Google Play Store to open it up. Second, tap on the profile at the top right. And make sure that you're logged into the correct account. Next, scroll down. Tap on Payments and Subscriptions midway down. Next, tap on Subscriptions midway down. If you have a current subscription, it will be under the Active section. You can see, in my case, I have Google One. To cancel it, tap on the subscription, scroll to the bottom, tap on Cancel Subscription. You can see it will say when that subscription will be canceled, and after that point of date, you will no longer be billed for that subscription, but you usually have access to it until the next billing cycle. I hope this helps to cancel any of your subscriptions. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below.